Darwin's theory of evolution.
Survival of the fittest, based on his little trip to the Galapagos, no longer applies on this planet. The human race doesn't have to survive.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Boostin' Bikes here, and today's the first day. I think I can officially say we are at the Barn Built Motorsports shop, and basically I'm saying that because, as you can see, I think in the last video we actually had this kind of put together, and yeah, so our brand new bend pack car lift is finally installed. The shop is basically done. We just put up this little electric heater this weekend to help with the wood burning stove. But I can officially say welcome to the Barn Built Motorsports shop. And right now I'm actually doing a water pump because it was leaking. This is the daily, so nothing exciting going to be filmed on the lift yet, sadly. So, you know, I gotta fix the daily. Anyone watching this, you're probably a race car enthusiast, something, and you know the daily life. It is, it's exactly what we wanted. It's gonna be awesome. Nothing really else to say besides it's gonna be awesome. I wanted this for a while. Most of you probably already follow our Instagram page. It's at Barn Built Motorsport. So you've probably been watching us build this. I don't know if the YouTube viewers know, but we actually did all of this ourselves. Everything. I mean, there used to be a wall right here, and we took it down, cut all the trees down that were here. We dug the footings, thanks to my friend Jency. We actually used his excavator, dug the footings, put the forms up. I mean, we laid the concrete. We actually had all the wood milled out for us. My father actually measured everything up, basically made a plan, and we actually just ordered all of this wood from a local log mill. First car to get on that lift is gonna be the Neon. Most of you guys have seen it, maybe you haven't, but that's gonna be the first build on here. It's gonna be exciting to get that thing back on the road. It hasn't been running for a while just because I've been literally using every single bit of my spare time to finish this place. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna put some footage in from Sunday from us riding, and other than that, I don't really have anything too exciting to show you guys in the shop. But later this week, I'll be getting the Neon in here, and I'll be taking the engine out, and that'll be the first step of many for that car. So enjoy. I'm gonna try and keep putting as much videos out on YouTube as I can. So stay tuned. We got a lot gonna happen in there. Just gotta fuel up. We're gonna go out for a nice winter blast because it is very cold, but you know, these are machines and they're meant to be used all the time, I guess. Quick stop to get some fuel filled up. We're about to go hit the road. The boys are actually waiting for me in the woods. But today we're actually going to be trying something different. I got a helmet mount. I'm going to GoPro mount for it in my basement. So we're going to give that a try today. Try a different angle. Wow. I am so happy we can come up here now. Dude, this right here is almost a dirt bike stand. Look at. If you got me a rock, it'd probably be a dirt bike stand. So the GoPro is on my helmet right now, but figured we would stop up here on the way home. This is a very old spot we used to go to back in the day. I haven't been up here in literally like 2 years of riding for today. We're gonna head home now. It is 30 degrees out, but it's just beautiful up here. Good old Cowtown, Connecticut.